Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add folder on start next to the power button. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Windows 11 PC, or you might be upgraded from Windows 10 to 11, and you will notice that whenever you click this start menu, you're going to see start menu. There is a appear your profile icon with your computer username. Also in the right side, you're going to see the power button to shut down, restart, or sleep your PC. But here is just some empty space. You can also add quick access. For example, you might be want to quick access to file explorer, setting, download folder, picture, or video. So in order to do that, you need to click in your Windows 11 start menu, and then you need to click here settings. After click over settings, you need to click here personalization. After click over personalization, on the right side, you're going to find here something say start. After click over start, you're going to find here something say folders. After click over folders, here is the things available you can add in your start menu: the setting, file explorer, document, downloads, music, picture, video, network, or personal folder. For example, I want to add the settings and then download folders, and also I want to add the personal folders and network. Now if I close this screen, and then if I go again here start menu, you're going to see in my Windows 11 start menu, beside this power button there is a appear all these icon. You can easily jump over from here to your documents, download folders, or network, or personal folder on your setting, which is really quite interesting. So within this simple way, you can easily add quick access to your Windows 11 different kind of file folder or setting section. Now you might be looking for how to disable those things. You can go again here start menu, and then click here settings, and then go again here personalization, and then click here start, and then click here folders, and you can easily hide off all of them. So within this way, you can easily add folder on start menu to the power button. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.